Now I'm going to do something a bit different in the chart of the day video. I'm going to look at Robinhood, the US broker. They IPO'd yesterday, went live. We're going to look at the technicals to see what happened to them. Now Robinhood, they're a bit controversial at the start of the year with the GameStop shenanigans and the meme stock goings on. They lost a lot of confidence in a big bunch of their customers and lost a lot of money, but before that they were doing very well, very popular. I've even managed to put on my Robinhood coloured polo shirt just for today's video. So we're going to take a look at the technical analysis, dig a bit into what's been going on in the Robinhood world. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of The Stop Hunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So a bit of background into Robinhood for those who haven't heard too much about them in the past. They're a US broker founded around 2013, so been going for 7-8 years, and they are very popular sort of, I suppose, anti-establishment broker compared to your mainstreams Fidelity and Schwab's and E-Trades, that type of thing. They wanted to be more for the people, hence the name Robinhood. And like I said, they built up a great following over the years and were doing really well until the start of this year, when the GameStop controversy and all those meme stocks that were trading mad numbers really impacted their business. They lost over 1.4 billion in the first quarter of this year, but also a lot of people were disappointed with their behaviour and how they managed their clients and platforms during this period, and some of the practices weren't the greatest. And also the SEC are investigating them for some other stuff. So currently 2021 hasn't been all that good, and like I said, they've built up that great sort of following, fan base, and have been profitable for many of those years. They're working at a 10.5 EBITDA, and they, like I said, went public yesterday at $38, and they closed at $34.82. So they came in at about 32 billion market cap, down to 29 billion by the end of the day. So if we move on to the charts, there's not going to be that much to see. So my usual chart of the day video, we're not going to do the line chart, the Heikin-Ashi, the Renko. We're going to just go straight to the candlestick chart, bring down the time frames, and just look to see what's been going on and see if we can pull anything from the charts, even though it's just been a day or so of data, just to see what has been going on. I thought I'd give it a couple of hours after today's stock market open to see what would happen to the price after yesterday's initial sell-off, and actually it's continued its downwards move and then stabilised back to where it sort of closed yesterday. And we can see there on the left, we can see the open around the 38 area. It actually did travel up to nearly 40 and then pinged back down quite heavily to the lows around the 33 area. Bit of a recovery and stayed sort of around that mid 34-35 area for most of the day. Like I said, tailed off into the evening and back down on the open today with a small recovery, and Are the signals worth anything? This is a 5-minute chart. Not really at the moment. I've got my box strategy on there. The price is within that. Signals neutral at the moment. I put pivots and Fibonacci set up on there to see where price could go in the really short term. Upside, it's got to go through that 40 if you're going to get excited and bullish about it, and down below the 33 to be more bearish, and then you've got 31.5 and 30.5 as the short-term targets there. If it can break upside 41, 43 in the short term, volatility is around about 30%. That's historic volatility per annum, so not really that volatile a stock at the moment. So maybe things calming down, settling down in Robinhood at the moment. So at this point, normally I would summarize the technical analysis, but there's not really much to summarize. It's a case of sitting tight at the moment. We know people like Kathy Woods at ARK Investments are buying the stock, so there are some positive signs there. But where next? Well, you just got to sit tight. There you go. I think Robinhood stock is going to be an interesting one to watch over the next few months. Let me know in the comments below what you think is going to happen to the stock price of Robinhood. Up, down, sideways. Just let me know. Give me your feedback there, or any other experiences you've had with Robinhood. If you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons if you want to receive further notification of any content such as this that I'm going to produce in the future. And if you've liked the technical analysis that I produced in this video and previous chart of the day videos, I'll put a link in the descriptions below so you can follow that and dig in some more. So all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.